Welcome back to another video in our series. Before we dive into today's topic, hit that like button and subscribe too. It's a lot easier than figuring out German paperwork and way more fun. Your support means a lot. Now let's get started.
Question number 1. At which places where there are no traffic signs regulating priority does the rule right before left apply? At crossroads and junctions. True. In Germany, the fundamental rule at crossroads and junctions without traffic signs is to give priority to vehicles approaching from the right. This rule is a key aspect of defensive driving, promoting caution and respect among road users. At driveways. False. The right before left rule does not apply to driveways. Vehicles entering or exiting driveways must be particularly cautious and are generally required to yield to all traffic on the main road. At the end of a traffic-calmed area. False. Exiting a traffic-calmed area does not automatically invoke the right before left rule. Drivers must be attentive to specific signs and road markings that may dictate priority in these scenarios. Question number 2. At which places, where there are no traffic signs regulating priority, does the rule right before left apply? At crossroads and junctions. True. The principle of giving way to the right is especially important at intersections and junctions where no signage is present. This rule ensures a smooth flow of traffic and minimizes confusion in situations where the right-of-way is not otherwise specified. At junctions with sunken curbstone. False. When approaching a road from a junction with a sunken curbstone, drivers must yield to all traffic on the main road. This rule prioritizes the safety of the vehicles already on the more significant roadway. Question number 3. You are approaching a crossroads where the priority situation is not clear to you straight away. What do you do? Always proceed when driving straight ahead. False. Proceeding without clear understanding of the priority situation can lead to dangerous incidents. It is crucial to approach such crossroads with caution, ready to stop if necessary, to ensure safety. Wait. Observe and come to an agreement with others, if necessary. True. In unclear priority situations, it's essential to reduce speed, observe the behavior of other drivers, and proceed only when it's safe to do so. Communicating with other drivers through eye contact or gestures can also be helpful in negotiating who should proceed first. Proceed according to the rule right before left. False. While the right before left rule is a general guideline, it should not be applied blindly. In unclear situations, it's more important to assess the scenario carefully and prioritize overall safety. Question number 4. What is the right course of action? I have to allow the motorcyclist to pass through. True. As the motorcyclist is coming from the right, they have priority in this scenario. Recognizing the right-of-way, especially at intersections, is vital for traffic safety and smooth flow. I may make the turn before the cyclist. False. It's important to yield to oncoming cyclists before making a turn. Cyclists, like all oncoming traffic, have priority, and ensuring their right-of-way is a key aspect of road safety. I have to allow the cyclist to pass through. True. Yielding to the cyclist is necessary as they are part of the oncoming traffic. prioritizing the safety of more vulnerable road users, like cyclists, is an essential aspect of responsible driving. Question number 5. What is the right course of action? I have to allow the red truck to turn. False. In this situation, the red truck should yield to you as it is coming from the left. Understanding and respecting the priority order at intersections helps prevent collisions and traffic disruptions. I have to allow the cyclist to turn. False. The cyclist, preparing to make a left-hand turn, must yield to oncoming traffic. It's important to be mindful of cyclists' intentions and ensure they can safely navigate their turn. I may be the first to pass through the junction. True. As you have priority in this situation, you may proceed first through the junction. Ensuring clear understanding of your right-of-way and acting accordingly is crucial for maintaining traffic flow and safety. Question number 6. What is the right course of action? I have to allow the blue truck to pass through. True. In situations like these, giving priority to other vehicles like the blue truck is crucial, as they are already engaged in the traffic flow. I have to allow the tractor to turn. True. Similarly, allowing the tractor to turn is important for maintaining a smooth and safe traffic flow. The blue truck has to allow me to pass through. False. In this scenario, the blue truck has the right of way, and I must wait until it is safe to proceed. Question number 7. What is the right course of action? I take priority before the bus. True. The traffic sign grants me the right of way, allowing me to proceed before the bus. I have to allow the bus to pass through. False. As I have the right of way in this situation, I do not need to allow the bus to pass first. I have to allow the motorcycle to pass through. True. The motorcycle, being oncoming traffic, must be given priority, especially when I'm making a left turn. Question number 8. What is the right course of action? I have to allow the bus to pass through. False. According to the give way sign, it is my responsibility to let the oncoming motorcycle pass, but not the bus, which is making a left turn. I have to allow the motorcycle to pass through. True. The motorcycle has the right of way in this situation, necessitating that I wait before proceeding. I take priority before the bus. True. Since the bus is turning left, it must yield to oncoming traffic, including me, in this scenario. Question number 9. What is the right course of action? I turn before the yellow car. True. As I am on the main road and the yellow car is turning off it, I have the priority to turn first. I am the first to make my turn. False. Even though I have priority over the yellow car, I must still yield to oncoming traffic like the motorcycle. I only turn after the motorcycle. True. Oncoming traffic, such as the motorcycle, has the right of way when I am making a left turn, so I must wait. Question number 10. What is the right course of action here? I take the turn ahead of the red car. False. The red car, being oncoming traffic, has priority, and I must yield to it before making my turn. I allow the yellow vehicle to pass through. True. In accordance with the principle of yielding to oncoming traffic, I must let the yellow vehicle, which is approaching, pass before I turn. I take the turn ahead of the yellow vehicle. False. As stated earlier, the yellow vehicle has the right of way, and I should wait for it to pass before proceeding with my turn. Question number 11. What is the right thing to do? I have to allow the red car to pass. False. In situations where no traffic signs regulate the right of way, the rule of giving way to the vehicle coming from the right applies. In this case, the red car does not have this advantage, so it must wait. I give way to the green car. True. The green car, coming from your right, must be given priority as it adheres to the basic rule of right of way in unmarked intersections, enhancing safety and predictability on the road. I turn left before the green car. False. Turning left before the green car disregards the fundamental rule of yielding to the right, which is crucial for maintaining order and preventing accidents at intersections without traffic signs. Question number 12. What is the right thing to do? I have to give way to the blue car. True. The blue car, coming from the right on an equal ranking lane, must be given priority. This practice ensures smooth traffic flow and minimizes conflicts at intersections. I may drive out before the blue car. False. Driving out before the blue car contradicts the right-of-way rule, which is essential for preventing collisions and misunderstandings on roads with equal ranking lanes. I have to give way to the motorcycle. True. The motorcyclist following the main road from your left has priority. Recognizing and respecting priority roads is vital for traffic safety and efficiency. Question number 13. Who has priority here? The red truck. False. The red truck must yield as it is not on the priority road, unlike the electric scooter. Understanding priority road rules is key to navigating intersections safely. Me. False. As a driver not on the priority road, you must yield to traffic on the priority road, in this case the electric scooter, to maintain traffic order and safety. The electric scooter. True. The electric scooter, being on the priority road and driving straight ahead, has the right to proceed first. This rule helps in reducing confusion and accidents at junctions. Question number 14. What is the right course of action here? I may proceed ahead of the green car. False. Proceeding ahead of the green car would violate the priority of the vehicle on the left, which is essential to follow for traffic harmony and safety. The green car may proceed ahead of the red car. True. The green car, following the course of the priority road, should proceed before the red car, adhering to the principle of right-of-way that ensures a safe and orderly flow of traffic. I may proceed ahead of the red car. False. It's essential to let both vehicles on the priority road, including the red car, proceed first to uphold traffic regulations and prevent potential conflicts or accidents. Question number 15. What is the right course of action here? I may proceed ahead of the red car. True. Being on the priority road, you should proceed ahead of the red car, which comes from the left, to maintain the established order of right-of-way on such roads. The yellow car may proceed ahead of the red car. True. The yellow car, coming from the right on the priority road, rightfully proceeds ahead of the red car, reinforcing the importance of the right-of-way rules. I may proceed ahead of the yellow car. False. You should yield to the yellow car as it is on the priority road and coming from your right, underlining the necessity of adhering to priority rules for road safety. Question number 16. What is the right course of action? I have to allow the motorcycle to pass through. True. The motorcycle, as oncoming traffic, has priority. It's vital to respect the priority of oncoming vehicles when making turns, as this ensures the safety and smooth flow of traffic at intersections. The tram must allow me to make the turn first. False. The tram, having the right-of-way indicated by the sign "Grant right-of-way," should not be hindered. Recognizing and adhering to tram priorities is key in urban driving scenarios. I have to allow the tram to pass through. True. The tram's right-of-way must be respected. This underscores the importance of paying attention to traffic signs and prioritizing public transport vehicles in certain situations. Question number 17. What is the right course of action here? The motorbike may proceed ahead of the yellow car. True. The motorbike, following the turning priority road, has the right to proceed first. This highlights the need to understand priority rules, especially in relation to road positioning and direction of travel. I may proceed ahead of the yellow car. True. According to the right before left rule, you have the priority over the vehicle coming from the left. Recognizing your right-of-way in this scenario is crucial for safe and efficient driving. I may proceed ahead of the motorbike. False. The motorbike has priority due to its position on the turning priority road, emphasizing the importance of yielding to vehicles on priority roads when necessary. Question number 18. What is the right course of action here? I may be the first to proceed. True. In situations without traffic signs or signals, the right before left rule applies. Here, you have the right-of-way, underscoring the importance of understanding basic traffic rules for uncontrolled intersections. I have to allow the red car to turn. False. The red car must yield to you, reinforcing the principle of giving way to vehicles from the right in this context. I have to allow the cyclist to pass through. False. The cyclist, in this situation, also needs to yield to you, highlighting the applicability of the right before left rule to all types of vehicles, including bicycles. Question number 19. What is the right course of action? I may drive through. True. As you are following the main road, you have priority over the blue car coming from the right. This illustrates the importance of understanding and adhering to main road priority rules. I have to allow the blue car to pass through. False. The blue car must yield to you as you are on the main road. Recognizing your priority in such scenarios is essential for maintaining safe and efficient traffic flow. The cyclist, like the blue car, should yield to you. This emphasizes the importance of being aware of one's priority status on main roads. Question number 20. What is the right course of action? I allow the blue car to turn. True. The blue car, coming from the right at this junction, has priority. This reinforces the fundamental rule of right before left, which is critical for navigating junctions without traffic signs. I am the first to proceed. False. Proceeding first would violate the priority of the vehicle from the right, in this case, the blue car. Understanding and respecting this rule is key to preventing accidents and ensuring smooth traffic. I allow the motorcycle to turn before me. False. The motorcyclist, intending to make a left turn, must yield to oncoming traffic, including you. This scenario highlights the necessity of yielding to oncoming vehicles when making left turns at intersections.